channel. So today's video is going to be a natural summer glam. So as you can see, I look like I just woke up. And that is true, I did. So I'm going to be getting ready for my day. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm gonna go hang out with some friends safely, but I gotta get glam. So for starters, you got to moisturize and protect your skin. So I have the spray sunscreen, so I'm going to do that later on, but I always wear sunscreen. But I'm first going to go in with the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Balm, and I'm just going to moisturize my skin. So again, this is going to be a nice little summer natural glam. You don't want to be too heavy coverage in the summer because you want to look, you know, the natural summer glow. But you can be full coverage if you want, but I choose the natural glow. So Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation is the foundation I choose to go to for when I go outside in the summer. And then I also add the Photo Focus Concealer from Wet n Wild and Fair Neutral, and I use this to like cover up a little bit more. So like this is full coverage, this is kind of like, you know, the sheerness and stuff. Well, it's sheer to me, I don't know. Anyways, so I add this for my foundation, and then I add this just to cover up a little bit, like a blemishes, like the little pimple here, like circles, like dark circles and stuff. So I'm just gonna speed through that and be right back. So now that is all on, I'm going to do a little bit of the cream contour. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit just to give it a little sun-kissed glow. Question mark. So I'm going to be going in with these two shades, which is Nude and Cinnamon. Coty Airspun, I'm only going to powder a little bit just to lock everything in place. And then for bronzer, I'm going to be taking my Milani Baked Bronzer. This has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it's perfect to get that glow. I'm only going to lightly bronze. For blush, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Pearlescent Pink. And I love blush for the summertime, especially on the nose. For highlight, I'm going to be taking the I Heart Revolution Primer Palette. And I'm going to be taking Fondant. So I'm going to take a little bit of Bonbon and a little bit of Praline, just a teensy tiny little bit, and just dab that on, just so when the sun hits the gold and the rose gold, it'll look really nice. But I don't want to put it so much that it gives you like the cast. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of a lip balm on. This lip balm has a bit of a tint. This is the Anna lip balm. I bought this at Superstore. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Too Faced lip gloss. I don't know. I've had this for a while. I don't know which one it is, but I think it's like the Tutti Frutti. I don't know. You could stop here for a more natural look, but I'm going to add some lashes. I am obsessed with lashes, so I'm going to add some. I'm going to be adding Zodiac from my lash brand. So these are more natural lashes, so I'm just going to add those ones. I will add those and be right back. And this is how the final look turned out. I think it's really cute, really summer and glowy. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. And please subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out. So if you guys... So if you want to follow my other social medias, my Instagram is mbk_beauty_ and my TikTok is mbk_beauty. And if you like my lashes, then please check out my lash brand. So I'm almost sold out and I'm so excited. So my lash brand is on Instagram, and it's my Instagram for my lash brand is Caitlin_cosmetics, or you can email CaitlinCosmetics02@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.